Hey, what's up guys? At Computex 2024, Zotac is scheduled to introduce the Zotac Zone, a new handheld gaming system. This product is meant to rival expensive portable gaming systems, such as the Ally X. VideoCardz has released the Zotac Zone's complete hardware specifications ahead of its scheduled release, indicating that it would be a robust and feature-rich gadget. A Ryzen 7 8840U processor and Radeon 780M core graphics will power the Zotac Zone. This setup is configured to use 15 watts of power, which can be boosted up to 28 watts for enhanced performance, ensuring a balance between power efficiency and gaming prowess. It will feature 16 gigs of RAM, offering high-speed performance and efficiency. For storage, the console will come with a 512 gigs SSD, providing ample space and fast data transfer rates to support quick game loads and seamless multitasking. The console boasts a 7-inch AMOLED display with a 1080p resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering sharp and smooth visuals. The panel supports HDR and has a peak brightness of 800 nits, ensuring vibrant colors and clear visibility even in bright environments. Zotac has equipped the Zone with a Hall effect joystick and a 2-stage adjustable Hall trigger, which promise precise and responsive gaming controls, enhancing the overall gaming experience. For connectivity, the Zotac Zone includes a USB 4 interface and a UHS 2-speed micro SD card slot, offering versatile options for expansion and peripheral connections. The console will run on Windows 11 Home Edition, providing a familiar and robust operating system for gaming and other applications. One of the drawbacks is its limited battery life, rated at just 1.25 hours, which may be a concern for extended gaming sessions on the go. Nonetheless, weighing in at less than 700 grams, the gadget is comparatively light, making it convenient to transport. The Zone will be available by the third quarter of 2024, according to Zotac. There may be minor modifications to the final product, even though these specs are based on the demo version that was presented at Computex. With its remarkable features and specifications, the Zotac Zone handheld console is expected to be a formidable competitor in the handheld gaming industry, providing players with a robust and portable gaming experience. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, I will ask them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.